Hello, I am Dr. Wasim Ali Tipu, Professor of Project Management. Today we will start learning Microsoft projects. You have to click in the Microsoft project window and this sort of window will appear in front of you. You have to click this blank projects and now this screen is going to appear in front of you. This screen is divided into two parts. The left part is just like an Excel and the right side is the Gantt chart. This Gantt chart is the named on its inventor, that is the Henry Gantt. Let me introduce you about this screen first. On the left top corner you have the file and then the task. There are a number of things present in the task, then the resources, reports, projects, view, help and the Gantt chart format. On the left side, you have lot many windows. These all things we are going to practice once we will proceed with this course. Let's start with this some entry of the task. The task name is appearing. You have to just write it down just as a task 1, then a task 2. What happens once I have written the task 1? On the left side, a symbol has appeared with the sign of interrogation. This shows that it is the manually scheduled or auto scheduled. It is better always to have auto schedule the project because it will calculate the number of days by the software itself, and it is the true benefit of this software. So how to make it auto schedule? There are a number of ways. Number one, you can just make it auto schedule from here. Either you can just select this task from here, go to the task, and then you can make auto schedule from here. And on downside of the window there is written manually scheduled. You have to turn it on to the auto schedule again. Now once I will write the task 4, it is going to be the auto schedule. Okay, so what is happening now? The task 1 2 3 4 I have entered. There are one day. There is, after the auto schedule, it has placed the date of today, but on the duration side there is one day and the sign of interrogation because I have not placed any duration for this task. So I put the 5 days to the task 1. What happens? You see on the right side a blue bar has appeared on the task. It is spanned over the 5 days. 5 days appearing because Saturday, Sunday, the gray part of this chart, these are the by default off days on the Microsoft projects. And once you count the other days, these are the 5. The other task is 3 days, then 4 days, then 2 days. So on the right side of this, you see there is a column of the predecessor. I want the task 2 must start after the task 1. So once you see the left side of these, there are numbering, some numbering is given. Be mindful of this numbering, and it must be attributable to task which we are using. So I want the task 2 must start after task 1. So I must place 1 over here. You see what happens? The task 2 has just connected with the task 1. Now for the task 2, 3 I entered the 2, and the task 4 I wanted that it must start after the task 3, so I have put it like this. So you see these tasks, all tasks have been connected with each other. Let me add some other task as well. Okay, now I want that these should also be connected. Either I can place the predecessor over here. I have to select this and then I have to click this. Automatically it will link to this. So this is the thing which is appearing the linkage of the task in the Microsoft project. Now I want that these should come under one project from where I can find out the duration. So I just go to the insert task over here. I just insert the name of the project, construction. There is a I have entered the project construction over here. In the duration task there is nothing but a sign of interrogation has appeared. So I want that these tasks should come under this task. So this procedure is termed as indenting. I have selected this task. I will go up to this icon and I will click this. You see, once I have entered it, the 5 days has added into the upper part of that was the project construction, and the rest of the days are still here. So there is some other thing. I can select all and I can do this indenting. I can reverse it as well. I can do connect it as well. So once I have done this, so you see there is a still sign of interrogation now because we have not turned to the duration to these two things. So once I have given this duration, this total project is of 19 days, and these are the tasks which are going to link this. So that is how we can just add on the activities task into the Microsoft project. We can make indenting, we can make the auto scheduling, and we can place the predecessor.